Assalamualaikum. We are from Group 2. We're now presenting PBL2. My name is Nuriza Shafika binti Muhammad Junaidi and my matric number is 277203. For sequence diagram, I choose login the account. Now, this is our sequence diagram for login the account. Firstly, when the staff or customer want to log in the account, they have to select login the account button, and then they need to choose what kind of identity they are. Next is they have to enter the email and password. And in case they forgot their password, they have to click on forget password button. But if there's no problem in that, they can just continue by enter login the account, and there will be a main page display. And after that, they can enter their profile page. That's all. But in case they forgot their password, I will explain more about how to create new password. Firstly, they have to choose forget password button, and then they must enter their phone number and then select their identity. Okay, there's two kind of identity, which is the first one is staff and second one is customer. If they are staff, they must to choose staff identity, and then they will get staff detail, and then there will be a code sent to them. And if they are customer, there will be customer details, and then there will be also a code, and then both need to enter the code. And after they enter the code, they need to add password and click confirm button. So there they will submit new password, and then there will be a save new password button for staff and customer, and then the password will be verified, and then if the password is verified, there will be a successful message sent to them. That's all. Now for communication diagram, I also choose login the account. This is our communication diagram for login the account. Now, for communication diagram, overall everything I can say is in sequence diagram are the same in communication diagram. Now, for login panel is a boundary object, while login manager is controller object, and lastly, customer and staff info is entity object. Okay. For staff and customer, they will be select login the account, enter the email and password, enter login the account, enter profile page, choose forget password, enter phone number, select identity, enter code, and lastly edit password and click confirm. And at login panel, there will be choose identity user and display main page. From login panel to login manager, there will be submit staff identity, submit customer identity, submit new password, and lastly send successful message. And from login manager to customer info, there will be get customer info and save new password customer. Same goes to login manager from staff info, which is get staff info and save new password staff. And in login manager, there will be also verify the password. And from customer info to login panel and staff info from to login panel, there will be send code. That is all. Now I will pass the presentation to Iwani.
Assalamualaikum to madam and friends. My name is Nur Iwani Nasra binti Maria. We hold the matric number 278810. Now I want to present about class diagram. Firstly, I want to explain the meaning of class diagram. Class diagram is a type of static structure diagram that describes the structure of a system by showing the system classes, their attributes, operation or methods, and show the relationship among objects. So, as you can see, this is our full class diagram. Firstly, I want to give an explanation about class diagram for sign up account. For sign up the account, boundary is sign up panel with operation submit details, display the details, submit code, and resend new code. For control the sign up is user manager with operation save the details, check account availability, verify code, send verification code, send successful message, and send error message. Entity is sign up info with attribute username, password, name, number telephone, age, and number IC. For operation, this entity is reconfirm login information. Secondly, class diagram for login the account. For login the account, boundary is login panel. With operation, choose identify users, display main page, submit staff identity, submit customer identity, and submit new password. The control login page is login manager. With operation, get staff details, get customer details, save new password staff, save new password customers, verify the password, and send successful message. There are two entities for login the account, which is customer info and staff info. For customer info, the attribute is email, password, name, age, number IC, and number telephone. The operation is display the booking details and send the code. For staff info, the attribute is email, password, name, age, number IC, number telephone, and the operation is send code. Thirdly, class diagram for re-edit personal detail. For re-edit the personal details such as edit the booking details, boundary is edit panel. With operation edit booking details, submit new booking details. For control is edit manager. With operation is save booking details, send successful message, and send error message. The entity is customer info. With attribute email, password, name, age, number IC, and number telephone. Operation of the entity is display the new booking details and send code. Fourthly, class diagram for Explore Page Service. The boundary for Explore Page Service is package screen. With operation display interface, display service, request service details. Next, for control is service managers. With operation retrieve service details. The entity for explore the page is service info. With attribute name, details, and the operation is display service details. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi and good day to Madam and friend. My name is Lim Shen Fen with number metric 2766937. Now I will continue explain about class diagram for booking page service. Firstly, for booking service page, boundary is service screen with operation display interface, display booking, accept the booking, retrieve booking detail, display payment method, accept payment, and display the confirmation. For controller is admin with operation send the confirmation and send error message. There are two entities for booking page, which is payment info and booking info. For payment info, the attribute is name and payment detail. The operation is show payment info and show confirmation message. Second entity is booking info. The attribute is name and booking detail. The operation is display the booking detail. Secondly, I will explain about update for the service detail. For update the service detail, boundary is update panel with operation click update. For controller is update manager with operation display new update, update hotel service, and update price. The entity for update the detail is service info and the attribute is name and detail, and the operation is display service detail. Lastly, I will explain about class diagram of read and comment on the system. Class diagram for read and comment on the system. The boundary is read and comment panel with operation give read and comment and bad or good review. For controller is read and comment manager with operation is comment have been added successfully, added read and comment, good or bad comment, and new comment added. The entity for read and comment on the system is service info and the attribute is name and detail with operation display service detail. That's all from me. Thank you.